Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to safely remove an Audi TT steering wheel. First, prioritize safety by disconnecting your car's battery. This prevents any electrical issues during the process. After disconnecting, wait at least 10 minutes for the airbag system to fully discharge. Finally, ensure your front wheels are perfectly straight before you begin any further steps. This preparation is crucial for a smooth and safe removal. Now, let's move on to the airbag module. You'll find two small access holes on the sides of the steering wheel. Carefully insert a thin, blunt tool into each hole to release the retaining clips. Once the clips are disengaged, gently pull the airbag module away from the steering wheel. Be sure to disconnect the electrical connectors on the back of the module. Handle the airbag with care throughout this step. With the airbag safely removed, the next step is to detach the steering wheel itself. You'll need a suitable socket wrench to loosen and remove the large central bolt that secures the wheel to the steering column. Before completely removing the wheel, take a moment to note its exact alignment. This will help immensely when you reinstall it later. Then, gently pull the steering wheel straight off the spline shaft. When you're ready to reinstall, ensure the steering wheel is perfectly aligned with the splines on the column. Reconnect all electrical connectors securely, making sure they click into place. Carefully reattach the airbag module, ensuring its clips engage properly. Finally, reconnect your car's battery. After everything is back together, test all steering wheel functions, including the horn and any controls, to confirm proper operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.